Hey people, so it is like afternoon when I'm shooting this. Afternoon, nahi, it is 4 in the 4:20, 4:30 in the afternoon. And see, I again have my sweethearts is always with me. And just now I did something very weird. I applied makeup to only one half of my face. I wonder which half you can make out. But yeah, so yeah, but I've realized that when you don't apply makeup you look younger. When you apply makeup you suddenly look like one cakey, one cake, not even a nice looking cake. You just look much older when you apply makeup, but without makeup it's all young. So yeah, so see people, I love to like I said, there's always these my stone reviews that I do. So this is the yellow citrine, and I got this at in the Forum Mall basement. The it I did a review on it recently. So because really these are and the bigger the stones the more really ever since I'm wearing it I'm actually feeling very light and bright. I know it sounds like an probably an exaggeration, but no, yeah, this is the power of the stones. And here from this angle you can make out which side I've applied makeup. And the side that I've applied makeup, I want to just go and wash my face. I'll go and do that. But yeah, it's already a 1 minute, it's crossed a 1 minute video. But I wanted to do this to kind of make to because it makes such a big difference how much makeup and not makeup, the kind of effect makeup has. Yeah, so this video is going nowhere, but I think the second video I will shoot after applying makeup. Yeah, let me do that. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.